everybody!
This is Clara
And Cristina, and this is day 3 of Christmas 2020.
We are planning on decorating our home for the season with you, as well as doing a lot of fun DIYs.
We will have 3 Christmas collections differentiated by color and embellishment. Today we are doing the pink jeweled lace and velvet Nutcracker hat, the last item of the pink Christmas collection,
Which you can find on our Etsy shop. There is a link to it in the description box down below.
Moreover, we started decorating our home for Christmas. Stay tuned for our next video.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, for every single sweet comment and message, and most importantly, thank you for believing in us. God bless you all and your families.
And now, prepare your materials and let's craft together.
We are going to need velvet, lace, a chain with sandy beads, a string, a tassel, a pearl, crystal beads, applications with crystals, gold round head paper fasteners, and a polystyrene cone. As well as a glue gun, a cutter, a ruler, a pen, scissors, and cardboard.
For the patterns, we are using the Cricut machine. We start off by drawing the patterns on the back of the velvet.
Leave a border of 10 to 15 millimeters and then cut them out. Use the adhesive spray on the back of the velvet and on the cardboard.
We cut the polystyrene cone in order to obtain a cone trunk.
We gently smooth the velvet on the cone trunk without leaving any air bubbles, and then we do the same thing to the cardboard patterns.
With the string, hang the pearl and the tassel to the visor. We begin the embellishment of the visor with a beautiful lace.
To make it all elegant, on the visor's border we glue 2 rows of pink leather string.
Now it's time to decorate the cone trunk. Firstly, on its top we added lace. Secondly, we are gluing in the shape of an X the pink decorative string. And lastly, on the bottom, we use a chain with sandy beads.
After that, We decorate the gold round head paper fasteners with applied crystals and stick them into the cone trunk. For a realistic look, we wrap around them the pink leather string. We also add a hanger made out of string by making a small hole into the top of the Nutcracker head.
Glue the top to the cone trunk.
We glue the same string we used before to the top's border.
Continuing by applying crystals to the pink feathers and glue them to the center of the hat. For a finishing touch, add the small crystal beads.
Finally, glue the visor to the cone trunk.